Welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 177. This was a Thursday. Did exercise 45 minutes on the treadmill with a 6-minute jog. Had an early morning appointment for my daughter, a little far away, about almost an hour away from where we live. So that consumed a couple hours of my day. Then I had another meeting downtown Orlando that I don't want to make public, but I had another meeting downtown. That went fine. That was a big meeting. And I worked on books. I worked on the Remote Wellness Academy. I did a little solar business, and insurance. So a lot of stuff going on. Gratitude. I'm grateful for the postal service. The postman. I've been getting all the books delivered to my home right now. I've been trying that out because I spend a lot of money on prep centers, and although I use prep centers forever, I don't have much experience doing it myself. So I'm trying to roll up my sleeves and do some of these tasks, learn these tasks myself, and save some money in the process. So actually, it's been really going really good. Got my label printer going, and you get a rhythm going, and then you can save a lot of money. In the beginning, it's more intense because when you're getting started, it's learning something completely new. So that's basically it for day 177. Let me know if you have any comments or questions. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Thank you.